Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Frank the Man. I am a barber and a cosmetologist. I've been doing this for about 10 years now. I know I may look 18 years old, right? Or maybe I look 21 or something. I look young, bro. I'm 28, I'm about to hit 30. And I have been doing this for a while now. So the reason why I mention this is that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to hair. You know, I know a little about a thing or two, right? I'm dual licensed, both barber and cosmetologist. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys hair tips that you never knew about, stuff that's common knowledge, right? General knowledge to a lot of people and predominantly women. But for some reason, when I have clients in my chair, I tell them this simple general knowledge and they are shocked. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number one is stop washing your hair every day. I know it sounds crazy, but every time that you wash your hair, you're depriving it of its natural oils. Those are natural oils that, one, protect your hair, protect your scalp from the sun or even from the cold, right? Because it's not that if you have dry hair, it's your scalp that's dry, right? So you washing it every day is depriving it of its natural oils, and that's definitely a no-no. We recommend no more than 3 to 4 times a week. Tip number two, the kind of shampoo that you use matters, right? I can't stress this enough. You wouldn't wash your car with dish soap, so don't wash your hair with dish soap or a bar of soap, right? The kind of shampoo that you use absolutely matters. There's 100 of shampoos out there, but I would predominantly tell you to focus on one that's paraben free, sulfate free, and if you can go ahead and use one that has all natural ingredients, get yourself a pat on the back. You're doing a good thing, all right? Tip number three, find out what type of hair texture you have. Do you have straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, dry hair? If you find this out, it's gonna help your search in finding the right shampoo so much more easier. It's gonna be so much more effortless. And not only is your skin and your significant other, right? They're gonna notice the different hair texture and the way your hair feels if you use the right shampoo. But it starts with understanding what type of hair do I have, right? And not only that, but your barber's gonna love it. Cause I see people all the time with hair that's just busted. And I'm like, yo, I give them this information, I'm gonna give them the game, and it's up to them to go ahead and, you know, figure it out. But, right, so find out what type of hair type you have. Tip number four is always condition after you shampoo. The reason why is you just wash your hair with shampoo. Shampoo's number one objective is to go ahead and strip your hair out of dirt and debris. So if you're not conditioning and moisturizing right after you shampoo, then that is a no-no and it can cause a lot of damage to your hair. So make sure that you are conditioning right after you shampoo. Tip number five is stop using the same 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, yo. You're a grown adult now, right? If you're a kid, I get it. And if you're trying to think that you can save money, right, by, you know, hacking your way into buying both, like, bro, it's probably gonna cause your hair to fall, maybe, right? Don't quote me on this, but it's dangerous because the objective of shampoo and conditioner, one moisturizes and one strips your hair of dirt and debris. So when you have both of them in one, they counteract. You understand? So you want to get just a simple shampoo bottle and another bottle of conditioner. So stop using the 2-in-1. I can't stress this enough. I've seen even like a 5-in-1, 6-in-1. So stop doing that. I beg of you, right? Your hair will thank you, I promise you. And tip number 6, you guys, is gonna be how much shampoo do I really need to use at home? Don't trip, I got you. I'm about to tell you exactly how much. So this is gonna surprise a lot of you. Check it out. I know we're men, we're careless, right? So I'm about to show you exactly how much you need. Check it out. If you have a buzz cut, you're gonna need a whopping this much amount. I know you think I'm tripping, bro, I promise you. If you have medium length hair, right? I have about 3 inches of hair on my head right now, probably 2.5. All you need is a whopping, let me add a little bit more, because y'all gonna hate on me. A nice pea-sized amount of product, of shampoo. And if you have that Masvidal hair, right, you're gonna need about a half a nickel to a quarter size of shampoo. But this is literally all you need, y'all. If you're using more than this, you're just throwing your money away. I promise you. Now, when we talk about longer hair, absolutely, you're gonna need more. But I promise you, I cannot promise you enough. You're using way too much and you're literally throwing your money away. So this concludes our video, you guys. These are hair tips that you did not know. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I got all this stuff on my fingers, right? It's whatever. But if you want the highest quality shampoo, right, that's not too expensive, go ahead and click in the description below. It's gonna be my personal list of shampoos and conditioners that either are gonna be super affordable, or if you have a little bit of money to spend, a little bit more on the luxury high-end side.